guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting, cash stuffing, sinking funds, and just savings in general. So today I have a cash stuffing for you. We are going to be stuffing my sinking funds as well as my 100 envelope challenge. And we do have a total of $154 to stuff today. Not quite the usual amount I have, but we are making it work. So let's get into it. Let's double check that we have the right amount. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 150, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 154. Got our sinking funds binder. And then right off the bat, can you see that? So I was getting a little uncomfortable with how much money I have in the house. So I am gonna start putting $500 placeholders. I had a bunch of 1,000 that I just bought like on Amazon. And I just kind of, went over it and made my own $500 placeholder for now. But I did transfer $500 from this envelope into a savings account for us. So I think from now on, anytime I hit 500, I'm just going to replace it with one of these little placeholders from now on. All right, but let's get into it. So car down payment should have $760 in it, and today I'm gonna put $40 in there, and then that should bring us up to $800. So let's see. We're gonna take two 20s. All right, so we have 500, 600, 700, 750, 770, 790, 800. And my goal for the end of December is to have this up to 2,000. My husband does have an extra paycheck this month. It is his magic month, so that shouldn't be too hard for us. So we've got $800 in there. Next up is going to be car maintenance. There is currently $338 in there, and we will be adding a $20 bill. All right, so we have 100, 200, 300, 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58. 358 in car maintenance. All right, next up here is racing events, and we are not going to be stuffing that today, but there is $415 in there. All right, and then we have running. There is currently $160, and we will be adding 10 to that today. So now we have 100, 150, 160, 170. Next up is vacation, and that will be getting $10 as well. And it currently has 125. So now we have 100, 20, 30, 35. 135 for vacation. And then we have Disney. Disney currently has $75, and we will be adding 10 to that today. So now we have 50, 70, 80, 85. All right, next up is home. Home is not getting stuffed, but that currently has $156. And then clothing is also not getting stuffed, and that currently has $98. And then gifts, we will be stuffing that because, you know, Christmas shopping. It currently has $3.18. We're adding another 20. And this week I expect to use this because your girl needs to do some Christmas shopping. I mean, it is like what? We're into the second week of December already. It's time for me to get a move on. I've only got so many more shopping days. So hopefully we'll be using most of this money this week. But we currently have 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38. 338. And savings, we have a total of 1,322, and we are not stuffing that this week. All right, and so then the total that we stuffed into our sinking funds is, we stuffed $110 into our sinking funds today. That's that for that binder. And then the rest of this is going to be going into my 100 envelope challenge. All right, so we're gonna move this off to the side for a second. And today we are going to be stuffing for, we are going to be stuffing 10, and then we will be stuffing 30. All right, so this is still a high priority for me. I do want to get this done by hopefully August, summertime, somewhere in there. So I do want to keep trying, even on the weeks where I don't have, you know, a lot of extra disposable income, to continue stuffing these. And we're doing pretty good. I've had to pick a lot more lower numbers, but I knew that was coming for December and November. It's holiday season. Hopefully once all the holidays have passed, we'll be able to stuff some more large numbers into this. All right, but looky there. She's filling up. She's doing pretty good. Jiminy's over here all by himself, kind of getting squished. We might not need him here soon, but right now he's holding everything in place. And that is that for today. So let's go ahead and mark off in our bullet journal what we stuffed. We stuffed 4, 10, and 30. And then we're gonna come back to our tracker over here and color those in. So let's see, we've got 30 over here. We've got 4. And then, let's see, 10. And that's that for today. I hope y'all have had a wonderful week. It's Friday. What do you have planned for the weekends? Let me know. I might have another video out for y'all this weekend. I'm trying to film one for you, but we'll see. It's been a crazy week for me, so we'll see if it gets up. If not, it'll definitely be up next weekend. But I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will for sure see you on Monday with the cash unstuffing for this week. All right, bye.